Good morning guys, yan po ang ulam natin for today, for breakfast. Happy Sunday pala guys. So ito po yung baby cucumbers natin na pickled siya, pampagana. We have our rice, hindi yan mawawala sa ating meal. And then we have our talong, eggplant, and squash or pumpkin, yan dito. At saka ang ating, of course, ang ating kape guys, hindi yan makakalimutan. So, maaga po kami nagising ngayon ni Peter. Kasi, finally guys, mag-work po ako today. May pasok po ako today after 4 days na walang pasok. So, see you later guys. Kakain muna ako. Bye.
Color gray.
Color brown, color gray. So, yan po guys, nagpapakain. Kumakain po ako guys ng breakfast. Ito, nagpapadraw na si Peter. What's this, baby? Mercury? Is this Mercury, baby? Where's your bread? Get your bread, go. Uy. Peter, get your bread. Get your bread. Hello. So, yan po kami dito, guys. Araw-araw po yan, guys. Habang kumakain ako, nagdo-drawing. So, wala talagang peace of mind kumain talaga. Kasi magmumultitasking ka, magpapakain sa kanya, kakain ako, tapos magdo-drawing. Nakaya naman, although hindi mo ma-enjoy yung food mo, pero at least walang tantrums. No? Kailangan talaga mag-multitasking, guys. Yan po. Color natin, tapos kain ako, tapos pakainin ko siya. Tatlo ginagawa. And Mercury. Okay. So, ito po guys, time na po nabigyan natin ng gamot ang ating little one. Dahil natapos na niya kanyang breakfast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan po guys. Tapos, yung isa, bibi. The other one. Hindi ko lang po ipakita itong ating mga, guys, kaya baka maano tayo. Masipa tayo ni Mamita. No? So, nag-insulin po ako, guys. Ito naman isa ay long lasting. Peter, come here.
Come here.
No, come here. Come on. 6 units. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Peter change na. So, kasi si Peter hindi siya marunong magdamit ng sarili niya. Wala siyang personal hygiene. Hindi niya alam. Kailangan pa rin niya ng assistance, guys. So, kailangan ko siyang bihisan bago ako umalis. Hindi pa ako suklay. Kasi super busy. Nappy, change nappy. Okay, we're gonna change the nappy, okay?
Nappy.
Yes, nappy.
Nappy.
Peter, change nappy.
Change nappy.
Yes, Peter, change nappy. Yan na po, already na po siya, guys. Oh. Ready na po siya magpa-change ng kanyang nappy. Just a minute, baby. Nappy, and you change your clothes. Nakita man niya ang patutin sa mong baby. Uy! Nakita ang patutin. Yan po guys, araw-araw po talaga ito guys. Oh, nagnanapi pa rin ang aming baby. Peter, nappy pa rin? Peter wearing nappy? Oh no! Ang mo patutin, makita mo patutin. Siya guys. Change na po natin ng nappy at saka pajama si Peter. Yan na po ang kanyang yan na po ang kanyang routine guys. Upo na po siya sa sofa tapos manood ng kanyang nursery rhymes. At saka magpapadraw pa yan siya. No? Busy si Mommy kasi mag-work si Mommy today. Mommy's working, okay? Kuya watch you.
mommy's.
No mommies? And be quiet because daddy's sleeping. Alright? So, yan po yung kanyang routine, guys. Oo po. Magpapadrawing. Tapos si mommy, magre-ready na si mommy.
No work.
Mommy is working today.
No working.
Work, mommy, kay only 4 days na mommy no work. We don't have money. What we gonna buy for your food? And your drawing? No?
Not daddy.
Kuya watch you, okay? Yan po guys, andito na po tayo guys sa farm. Andito na din yung kasamahan ko. Si Kabita. Yan po guys, andito na po ako sa farm guys. Kararating ko lang po. So yan po si Kabita. Yung India na kasamahan ko guys. Kararating lang po niya. So andito po kami sa farm. Ay, salamat nakatapagtrabaho din ako guys. Kasi 4 days akong walang work. 4 days akong walang work guys. It's not good for the economy, no? You know, so ito po yung OOTD natin ngayon. Kahit ano lang po ang suotin dito guys sa farm. Yun ang kagandahan kapag nag-work ka ng farm kasi you don't need to you don't need to what's that ka ng try hard ba na magdamit. Kasi kahit anong damit okay lang. So labas na po tayo guys. Kasi 8 o'clock kami mag-start. So may 10 minutes pa kami. My goodness me. Huh? Yeah. Did she send you a message?
Before on Friday.
Friday, yeah?
Not much busy, Kavita.
So you did not work Friday?
Yeah.
You no work Friday? So you have 4 days off?
Mm.
Same.
And morning time,
Mm.
she give again. Really not busy, Kavita. If you busy, this morning I will ring you.
Oh, same.
Fridays. On Friday, she give tell like that.